Good morning, everyone. It is 8:30 on Friday, August the 7th, and it's morning briefing time. First of all, the changes to the National Terrorism Advisory System overnight. A snapshot of the region this morning. We got some updated numbers from the unaccompanied children down in the Rio Grande Valley. Our 4 declarations are listed there. We have no ongoing damage assessments, and no fire management grant requests have been received. Now, as we switch over to the Geo platform this morning, lots of colors on the map. Mark's going to tell us all about that here in just a moment. Before we go there, no changes to the status of our state EOCs. All are at level 4. The region is at level 4. The NRCC is at level 4. The Region Watch is at Normal Ops, level 4. And the National Watch is at Enhanced Watch due to the storms in the Pacific. As we stated yesterday, IMAT Team 2 now has deployed to Texas to join Team 1 down there. And Team 3 is in Oklahoma. And we have the Region 5 team in Arkansas. No shelters to talk about this morning, and all power outages are now less than 1,000 in all of our states. Now over to Mark at the Weather Service.
Hey, good Friday morning to everybody. And as Paul mentioned, yes, we do have a lot of colors on the map for today. A lot of peach colors and pink purples. That's where we have the heat advisories and heat warnings. And even over portions of central and southeast Texas, southern Louisiana, where we don't have the heat advisories, the criteria there is just a little bit higher. But basically, those entire areas, we're going to see heat indices of around 105 to 110, not only for today, but through the weekend and likely into Monday as well. There are some thunderstorms this morning over portions of eastern Arkansas, and those are producing some damaging winds at this time. We are getting some reports of some wind gusts with that line of up to about 60 miles an hour. Those will be pushing off into northern Mississippi as we go on through the morning, but there could be some regeneration over Arkansas later this afternoon, or eastern Arkansas later this afternoon, and then into this evening. So as we go and take a look at the 5-day threat matrix, again, as we go on through the afternoon and evening, the main severe weather threat will be over eastern Arkansas, but they will be pretty few and far between. The big story just continues to be the heat, which is just going to be in place here for at least until the early portions of next week. Might get a little bit of a break by the middle of next week, but maybe temperatures just a few degrees cooler. And on the western edge of the upper level high, we will see some showers and thunderstorms over western and northern New Mexico starting tomorrow and continuing into early next week, and that could bring some localized flash flooding there. Very quiet across the tropics, and just incredibly quiet for this time of the year. I don't think I've ever seen it this quiet this time in August. And here's the severe weather threat for today. The main threat will be over the southeast United States and up into the central plains. And as we take a look graphically at our forecast for the next several days, you can see the outline for the chance for showers and thunderstorms over western and northern New Mexico, and the threat for severe thunderstorms this morning over eastern Arkansas. But as we take a look at the lower right, you can basically see over Texas, most of Oklahoma, no rainfall expected over the next 5 days. And so taking a look at the drought monitor, as a result of really not much rain in the forecast, we'll likely see the drought over southern Louisiana and east Texas begin to expand. Unfortunately, but at least over western New Mexico, where there is a moderate drought going on, maybe some of the shower and thunderstorm activity will help out with that. And we will see a minor storm today and Sunday, a minor solar storm, but really not looking for too many impacts from that. So that'll do it for me this morning. Paul, I'll hand it back to you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. If you have a question for the Weather Service, go ahead and type it in the chat window. If you're on the phone, just ask a question. In the meantime, let's take a look at the question for today. We have no meetings on our calendar for today. Storm surge, most destructive. How much does a cubic foot of water weigh? anyone want to venture a guess? Up. We got a couple people typing in the thing there. Nice one, Rob. All right, the answer is 64 pounds. So, and as Bruno says, it only takes one hurricane to make our day go bad. All right, everyone. As Mark said, it's going to be a hot one out there all weekend. Everyone stay hydrated and wear your sunscreen this weekend. So we see you back here on Monday. Have a great weekend.